Hello and welcome. I'm Parisa Shelton, and these are your 3 tips for developing good Qi. Let's start first by defining what Qi is. Qi is the life force energy that is within and all around us. Now, this life force energy can be in different states, from our physical body, our minds, our brains, our internal organ systems, to things that we can't touch or see, like our thoughts, taste, touch, sounds, and our senses. Okay, so 3 tips for developing good Qi relate to the 3 pillars or the 3 regulations for Qigong and Tai Chi. The first is a physical posture called the Wuji posture. The Wuji posture is with the toes forward, the knees slightly bent. We're going to gently tuck the tail and tuck the chin, pushing up on the crown of the head. And as we stand in this posture, you are more strong and stable than if you were to lock your knees and stick your butt out with this lumbar curve. And it's kind of like if we think of a bridge, a suspension bridge, we want the foundation to be aligned in certain physical ways in order to create the most stability. So when we stand with the knees bent, the tail tuck and the chin tuck, and we ground into the floor and push up through the head in this posture, you are more strong and stable, and you can develop a steady flow of your Qi, of your life force energy, more efficiently and effectively. So try this posture out when you're waiting, next time you're waiting in line at the grocery store, if you're waiting at the bank or whatnot. Try to stand in this posture and use that time to develop and strengthen your Qi. The second technique to develop good Qi is to focus on the breath. Now, as much as possible, we're going to try to breathe in and out through the nose, and the reason is because we can control the efficiency and effectiveness of the breath by guiding the breath in and out through the nose. However, if you feel hot or dizzy, you feel less than optimal, then you can clear heat from the body by giving an audible exhale, as well as if you're practicing the healing sounds and you're speaking, then obviously you have to breathe out through your mouth. But as much as possible, when you're exercising or you're practicing, developing, cultivating your energy, try to breathe in and out through your nose. Let's try that together. Take a long, slow breath in and out through the nose. Breathe in and breathe out. Strengthening and tonifying our good Qi. Okay, the third tip or the third tool is the mind focus or the mind intent, because most people don't realize how powerful our thoughts really are, and what we think about, we bring about. And the cool thing about Qigong is that it gives us time-tested technology to focus our mind, to channel our energy, and become aware of the subconscious programming that is operating in the background. So the mind focus or the mind intent is something that you can utilize minute to minute, day by day, in order to develop and cultivate good Qi or good energy. So those are your 3 tips for developing good Qi. And we'll leave it on this note by cupping the hands and scooping, grabbing from the space around you, and bringing the hands into a prayer position in between the eyebrows for right thought. The hands come to the lips for right speech. And then bringing the hands to the heart for right action. May we be the change that we wish to see. Thank you for tuning in, and may you be at peace, and namaste.